crazy machine challenge games, and a spectacular rescue. Old machines working deep in the forest. Suddenly, a tractor gets stuck in thick mud, its aging engine making escape almost impossible. Luckily, two nearby machines step in, attaching cables and pulling with all their strength to drag it forward. But things quickly spiral out of control. The machine still can't break free. Transporting goods is full of hardship and challenges. Massive trucks slowly climb a steep, towering slope, carrying up to 45 tons of cargo. In situations like this, even the smallest mistake can lead to an instant accident. Maybe he just learned how to drive. On a fairly wide road, and yet he somehow ended up straight in the ditch next level. Of course, the rescue team had to be called. They arrived quickly with a powerful bulldozer. And in no time, the vehicle was safely pulled out. The most dangerous machine situations. A harvester working in the field suddenly plunges into a nearby village well. Fortunately, the operator remains unharmed. But the machine lies helpless at the bottom of the well, in a truly miserable state. Villagers quickly mobilize a rescue team, bringing in a crane to lift the harvester back up. Witness the power of this Belarus tractor. Equipped with a powerful engine, it drags massive logs across a slippery dirt road with ease. If you're impressed by this machine's strength, comment 1 and let me know. These guys are taking crazy challenges to the next level. He pits a Nissan Patrol against a T40, tying a cable between them and pulling in opposite directions. Smoke fills the air as both machines push to their limits. Tearing up the ground beneath them, it looks like a perfectly even match. Which machine do you think will win? What on earth is this? I can't believe my eyes. A bulldozer tries to cross a river with a powerful current water that could sweep the machine away at any moment. People nearby cling onto the bucket, adding weight to keep the machine from being carried off by the force of the water. If you want to see more unexpected machine failures and how they overcome them, don't forget to follow now. Overloaded and moving across a vast field, the vehicle sways dangerously. On top of that, the tractor has to climb a steep slope to reach the road. The engine roars at full throttle, mud flying everywhere. I'm convinced this guy must be highly experienced to handle it this skillfully. Built to conquer the harshest terrain, none other than the Soviet ZIL 157 truck. With its powerful engine designed for mountains and rough landscapes, it drives around hills with ease. Even slippery dirt roads can't stop it. If you like this machine, comment 1 below. Another spectacular transport moment by the T40 tractor. Carrying 30 tons of hay, it climbs a steep slope covered in thick snow. The wheels spin in place, but with sheer persistence, it keeps pushing forward. Inch by inch, it finally makes it up the hill and continues its journey. A cargo truck traveling through a mountain pass suddenly encounters a landslide. Falling rocks and rushing water from the mountains bring the truck to a complete stop. At the most critical moment, an excavator arrives, secures a cable to the truck, and begins pulling it out. After hours of effort, the truck is finally brought to safety. This job is extremely dangerous and requires a highly experienced operator. Clearing 2-meter tall grass that's blocking the water flow, the machine must stay steady against the strong current just to keep working. With each scoop lifting tons of vegetation, it gradually clears the path and restores the flow of water.
FC หลายแห้งตรงนี้ก็มีแต่งานนี้ครับงาน
Moving through the snow, the vehicle unknowingly drives onto a layer of ice, hiding deep mud beneath. It keeps pushing forward and gets stuck almost instantly. Refusing to give up, it struggles in the mud, only sinking deeper. In this frozen forest, any rescue becomes extremely difficult. Looks like these guys are really into extreme terrain challenges. With a massive tractor, he drives straight into the forest, pushing through dangerous and rugged paths. The machine charges like a beast, fearless of obstacles, powering through swamp after swamp. Thanks for watching till the end. Don't forget to follow the channel so you don't miss more dramatic machine failures and intense rescue moments.